Hello, my name is Nicole McLean, and this is Mr. Moose, and we are in my brand new bathroom. So my husband and I moved into this house about 3 years ago, and this was probably the ugliest and grossest room in the house. Every time we came in here, I just knew that it needed to be redone, and it was something that we put off for a while, and so it was just something that we really, really wanted to do. It was actually the first company that I reached out to. I heard about Bullrun Kitchen through my realtor who actually sold me this house. She said that she had worked with him and a few of her clients had worked with him as well, and they loved him. From start to finish, construction was amazing. I had heard horror stories about other construction companies. My clients, I would tell them, like, Bullrun Kitchen said that this project is going to take 1 month, and they would say, oh yeah, we'll see about that. And literally from start to finish, between the project manager John and the contractor Edwin, everyone was so nice. Everyone was quick to respond to me if I had questions. I had the project manager, John, texting me at 10 p.m., sometimes answering my questions. It just makes me very happy. My favorite part of the bathroom is this beautiful shower. It's twice the size now as it was before. And I think the first week that I had this new shower, I was taking 2 showers a day because it's just so pretty and I love it. I would recommend Bullrun Kitchen to anyone. I think their services were amazing. I couldn't have had a better experience, and I'm so happy with the work that we've done, and I can't wait to work on future projects together.